Today's project, replacing a starter. Not too bad of a project on our '01 Grand Cherokee, but before anybody tackles this project, you need to verify that the starter is the problem. We did that by going to our local Advanced Auto Parts store, where we tested the starting and charging system for free, and sure enough, the starter is the issue. Now, we've got the wheel removed for a little bit better visibility for you and a little bit easier access for us, but the first step in any starter work is always to disconnect the power. Now, with no current coming down to the starter solenoid, it's safe to go ahead and remove the wires. Step 1, the wiring harness. Next, the positive lead. With the wires removed, I'm going to go ahead and loosen the bottom starter mounting bolt. This vehicle only has 2 starter mounting bolts, upper and a lower. I like to leave the upper one in to last so that there's no chance that starter is going to fall down on top of me. Now, support the starter with your left hand. Go ahead and remove the upper bolt. I'll come up from the top to pull out the old starter. It's going to be easier than working down through the brackets underneath. Out with the old, in with the new. And finally, you want to follow the torque specs. In this case, 40 foot-pounds on the top and bottom bolts. Now we can reconnect the leads. And finally, before we button everything back up, it's a really good idea to go ahead and clean your battery terminals while you have all this available. That way you're going to be sure to transfer maximum current down to your new starter. And that helps it do its job much more effectively.